Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm back with one of my favorite parts of the year is my Create and Connect from Pinkfresh Studio. So they do about, I want to say 4 virtual events. They do a holiday, they do a winter event, they do a spring event, and then they do kind of like a fall or summer event. So it seems like 4 events. And so this one is going to be for February 21st and 22nd, 2026. It's virtual. I'm one of those people who actually enjoys watching it not live because I don't do a lot of homework. I do the homework right before I watch the class. That's what I do. Because that's what I do. It works for me. But anyway, I really love it. And it's kind of one of the reasons this particular one, when I looked around, is lots and lots of flowers. So because of that, I try not to buy flowers because I end up with so many flowers from the Create and Connect. And I think my goal this year is to try to find ways to incorporate the floral elements that I have so much of with Pinkfresh Studio and utilize my La La Crafts or my Greeting Farm Girls, other things that I have in my collection that can work with these florals. We'll see what I do. But anyway, this is the project guide. And so basically they do the classes live, but they're taped or video, not taped, you know, they use tapes anymore, but you know what I mean. Then they are saved. You can watch them later. Okay. You could tell that I am not a millennial. So anyway, let's get into it. So the first thing that I want to talk about is what we get as our essentials. So this is like crazy. We get a whole bunch of this sort of shiny cardstock. Get a bunch of pieces that we may or may not use in the classes. Like we got the glitter cardstock last time, which I love, and I really need to buy more of their cardstock because the glitter cardstock's amazing, but I feel like I've got some glitter cardstock I need to use up. But anyway, so I had a lot left over, and I did end up using all of the glitter cardstock I think that I got from Pinkfresh Studio in my holiday projects. I have it down because it's way too bright and it's gonna murder your eyeballs. So the other thing we get, and everything is in these envelopes and labeled, we get, we usually get sort of a general stamp set. So the stamp set is somewhere. I don't know exactly. It must be in this pile right here. Let's see here. We get a general stamp set. I think it's this one. So we get a general stamp set, and we get the matching die. Okay, so very beautiful fonts. We get this. We get these gems, which are the Dewdrops Iridescent. They are beautiful. We get a whole pack of those. And then I love this. This is Compass Points. It's their cover plate die that you can dry emboss or you can just die cut. And it's beautiful. So we got that. And that is part of the essentials, which means that any of the designers could use any of these in any of their projects or any of the make-it-takes. So they may use it or not use it, just depends. The other thing we get this time is we always get kind of like a little extra gift. And I've gotten a variety of things over the years. I think one year we got this. I got a tray. I think I have my tray up here. We got a tray one year. One event. So we get a variety of different gifts. Last time it was a stamp set. So this one is this ornate hummingbird die. It's really beautiful. So that was included as our gift. And then, so the stamp sets are all packed separately, so I'm going to have to put it all together. But, so the classes, I haven't looked to see what order the classes are going to be in. This one is called Oriental Bloom. So I think this must be the stamp set. So Oriental Bloom. So the theme, I believe, is, I don't know if it's international, it's travel, it's something like that. But we also get the stencil and we get the die. And then the class will make 2 cards with the particular teacher for this one. This one is going to be JC Gasper. And then there'll be 2 make and takes, and the make and takes will come from other designers that are doing other classes. They'll make something out of this one. So that's this one. And then we have, oh, what the heck, did I open it? Did I close it? Okay, this one is called Chirpy, I don't know, it's like not opening. Okay, Chirpy Nithu with Yana. And so it's got this fun bird. And so we'll be making some projects with this. And that gives us sort of an idea of, you know, kind of what it looks like. So there's that one. And then this one is Shizuku Sakura. And like sakura flowers. And so we get, what is it? This one right here. So we get the stamp, stencil, and the die. I do love how we get the complete set, which is just really, really nice. And then there's Santorini, which I think this might be my favorite one. The last 2 are going to be my favorite ones. I'm going to tell you this right now. And this one is with Dawn Wolfslegel, and she's the one who designed this. So it comes with this sort of standalone die that does this sort of Santorini look, which I am just loving because I actually was in Santorini this past summer, and I have pictures that I took with me and my children in front of these beautiful blue domes, and so this is just lovely. And then we have these Amalfi lemons, and we get the die, the stamp, and the stencil. So that is marvelous. We get all of those pieces, including this fun Amalfi Coast sort of die, which I think is really, really great. And then the last one is this one called Nordic Tale, which is a Kathleen Schmelz. And here is this one, and it's going to be with the stamp and the die, and it has this folk look, which I am loving. And so I think this would be really cute with some of the book themed stuff that's been coming out. But this one is really, really fun. So that is what I got in my kit, along with this beautiful book that will help prepare me for the course, the virtual retreat, and then see what I'm going to make and all that. And so when I do the class, then I'll come back and I'll do a recap of all the projects that I made in the class, and you guys will get an opportunity to see everything that we made. And I think you can still order the kit. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's amazing. It's one of my favorite events at the Pinkfresh studio. They do a really nice job. Their kits are very reasonably priced, and you get quite a bit of product. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crank the Heart.